I ate breakfast. I eat breakfast. I will eat breakfast. I went to school. I go to school. I will go to school. She cooked dinner. She cooks dinner. She will cook dinner. They played football. They play football. They will play football. He slept early. He sleeps early. He will sleep early. We bought a book. We buy a book. We will buy a book. You drank water. You drink water. You will drink water. It rained heavily. It rains heavily. It will rain heavily. I wrote a letter. I write a letter. I will write a letter. She speaks English. She will speak English. They watched a movie. They watch a movie. They will watch a movie. He cleaned his room. He cleans his room. He will clean his room. You washed your hands. You wash your hands. You will wash your hands. She made tea. She makes tea. She will make tea. You drove a car. You drive a car. You will drive a car. Time for a quick test. Change this sentence into past and future. He speaks English. Drop your answers in the comments right now. Like, share, and subscribe to English with New for more easy grammar formulas. See you next time.